Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about air conditioning. So a lot of times the guys get a call that the air conditioning isn't working on a tractor. Sometimes it's a cutter, but mostly it's a tractor. My air conditioning isn't blowing very good, or it's not cold, or something like that. The first thing that we want you to do is check your cab filter. A lot of times what happens, especially in the fence, the cab filter is inside. That filter gets all plugged up, and it's so plugged full of dust and particulate matter that the fan can't blow any air around, and so all of a sudden you lose that air circulation, and then the evaporator freezes up. So have a look at that filter, clean it out, blow it out. Maybe it's even so bad that you got to replace it. 90% of the time, that's what the problem is. After you've cleaned it out, if you're still having issues with air conditioning, then give the guys a shout, but check that filter first. 90% of the time, that's what's causing your problem. So hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.